Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Lines K and L are perpendicular. If the points 4, m and 9, m positive 3 lie on line K and lines K and L intersect at 9, m positive 3, which of the following can lie on line L? In the given answer choices, we have to find the point that can lie on line L. And we have 2 points on the line K, that is 4, m and 9, m positive 3. And also at this point 9, m positive 3, the two lines K and L intersect. Okay, now let me draw two lines K and L so that they are perpendicular. That is, they intersect at a right angle. Okay, let me draw two lines over here. Okay, at the point of intersection, we have a right angle. Let me say this is line K and this is line L. And we have the point 4, m on the line K. Let me mark it over here. And also we have this point 9, m positive 3 on the same line K. And also this is the point of intersection. Okay, then we'll have the point 9, m positive 3 over here. So we have this point, that is a point of intersection we have on both the lines K and L. Okay, now let's find the slope of line K using the 2 points we have over here on line K. Let me consider this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. When we have 2 points on a line, there is a formula to get the slope of a line. That is the slope of a line K equals to, the formula is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Here y2 is m positive 3 and y1 is m, it's over here. And x2 is 9 and x1 is 4, that is 9 negative 4. Here positive m negative m will cancel out. I'm getting 3 over 9 negative 4 is 5. Now I got the slope of line K. Now I have to get the slope of line L using one of the points in the given answer choices and the point of intersection. And since the two lines are perpendicular, the slopes of the two lines will be having different signs and they will be reciprocal to each other. So already we have the slope of line K. Then what will be the slope of line L? Then the slope of line L will be negative because the slope of line K is positive. And the slope of line L will be the reciprocal of this one, that is 5 over 3. Okay, now let's consider the points in the given answer choices one by one on line L and find the slope. We have to get the slope negative 5 over 3. Then we can decide that particular point lies on a line L. Okay, now let me take the point in answer choice A. So let me consider this point on line L, that is m negative 6, negative 4. Let me write the same formula to get the slope of line L. The formula is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, already we have taken this point as x2, y2. Let me take this as x1, y1. We have these 2 points on line L. Okay, let's get the slope of line L using these 2 points. So for y2 we have m positive 3 negative. For y1 we have negative 4. For x2 we have 9 and for x1 we have m negative 6. Okay, here m positive 3, negative times negative is positive 4. Okay, 9 negative m. We can distribute this negative sign to this m and negative 6. Then we get negative m positive 6. Okay, then we get m positive 7 in numerator and denominator. When I combine 9 and 6, it's 15. That is 15 negative m. As I said earlier, the slope of line L must be negative 5 over 3. That is opposite sign of this one and also the reciprocal of this fraction. But here I'm getting the slope of line L in terms of an unknown m. Okay, when I use the point in answer choice A, I don't get this slope, negative 5 over 3 for line L. So we cannot conclude the point we have in answer choice A will be on line L. Okay, now let me erase the stuff over here. We can reject answer choice A. Now let me consider answer choice B. That is a point m positive 9, 24. Let me write it. Okay, now let's say this is x1, y1. Let me plug in. That is y2 equals to m positive 3. Negative y1 is 24. And x2 is 9. And x1 is m positive 9. Okay, then we get m. When I combine this positive 3 and negative 24, I'm getting negative 21. 9 negative m, negative 9. Okay, here this 9 and negative 9 will cancel. I'm getting m negative 21 over negative m. Okay, here again I got the slope of line L in terms of an unknown m. I don't get the slope negative 5 over 3. So we can reject the answer choice B as well. Okay, let me erase the stuff. Okay, reject answer choice B. Now let me consider the point in answer choice C. Okay, let me take it on line L, that is 24, comma m positive 12. Let's say this is x1, y1. Let's plug in. So y2 again m positive 3, negative y1 is m positive 12 divided by x2 is 9, negative 24, m positive 3, negative m, negative 12 divided by, and 9 negative 24 is negative 15. Okay, here positive and negative will cancel out, and when I combine this positive 3 and negative 12, I am getting negative 9 over negative 15. This negative will cancel out. 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 15 5 times. I am getting 3 over 5. Actually, as we have discussed, the slope of line L must be negative 5 over 3. But here we get positive 3 over 5. So definitely we will not have this point on line L. So we can reject answer choice C as well. Okay, let me erase the stuff. Okay, reject answer choice C. Now let's consider the point in answer choice D. That is 21, comma m negative 17. Okay, here we can take this one as x1, y1. Then for y2 we have m positive 3. For y1 we have m negative 17. And for x2 we have 9. And for x1 we have 21. Then we get m positive 3, negative m positive 7 divided by 9 negative 21 is negative 12. Okay, let me simplify this. Positive and negative will cancel out. Okay, when I combine positive 3 and positive 17, I'm getting positive 20 divided by negative 12. And 4 goes into 25 times, 4 goes into 12 3 times. I'm getting negative 5 over 3. Okay, here I got the slope with the negative sign. And also here we get a fraction which is a reciprocal of 3 over 5. So clearly, when I take this point on line D, the slopes of line K and line L are having opposite sign, and also they are reciprocal to each other. So then the two lines K and L are perpendicular. So this is a point we have on line L. The correct answer choice for this question is D.